Exotic fruits and vegetables you've probably never tasted. There are numerous exotic fruits and vegetables from around the world that many people may not have had the chance to taste. Here are some examples. Dragon fruit, pitaya. This vibrant fruit has a unique appearance with its bright pink or yellow skin and speckled flesh. It has a mildly sweet flavor and is often enjoyed fresh or added to smoothies. Durian. Known as the king of fruits, durian has a strong odor that people either love or find repulsive. The creamy, custard-like flesh inside the spiky shell is rich and sweet. Rambutan. This tropical fruit resembles lychee but has hairy skin. The translucent, juicy flesh is sweet and slightly acidic. Jackfruit. A large fruit with a fibrous texture, jackfruit is often used as a meat substitute in vegetarian and vegan dishes due to its ability to take on savory flavors. Chayote. Also known as vegetable pear, chayote is a green, wrinkled fruit that is cooked and eaten as a vegetable. It has a mild taste and a crisp texture. Silak, snake fruit. This fruit gets its name from its reddish-brown scaly skin. The flesh inside is crunchy, slightly sweet, and acidic. Jicama. A root vegetable native to Mexico, jicama has a crisp texture and a mildly sweet flavor. It's often eaten raw and added to salads for its refreshing taste. Kiwano. African horned cucumber. This spiky orange fruit has a jelly-like green interior with a mildly sweet and tart taste. It's often used as a decorative element in dishes. Buddha's hand. This citrus fruit looks like a bunch of yellow fingers extending from a central base. It has a strong lemon fragrance and is primarily used for its zest and aromatic oil. Soursop, graviola. This tropical fruit has a spiky green exterior and soft, white, fibrous flesh inside. It has a sweet and tangy flavor and is often used in beverages and desserts. Remember that the availability of these fruits and vegetables may vary depending on your location, and some may be more commonly found in specialty or international markets. If you have the opportunity, exploring these exotic foods can be a fun and delicious adventure.